just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the game, used to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long, you pull up when I call. All the hood niggas respect me, strippers wanna sex me. You bluffed on him, now we mad because you had me low. Say fucked up, don't change it. I'd probably be dead if I was basic. Would you still give me head if I had patience? I work when I want, I do what I want. She get what she want, I call her my what she want. Brush it off when you tie me off, you know I'll be slung. Fuck the world, I'ma walk in direction. Without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how break it. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how break it.
Don't come around if you ain't close to me. I ain't built like them, it gotta work for me. Just cause I want you don't mean I want you, I don't. You got some high hopes, high hopes.
World, I'ma walk in direction. Without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how break it. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how break it.
I can break you off, lay your views, do it all. Speak on me when I don't blow. I can break you off, lay your views, do it all. No, do nothing at all. No, do nothing at all. I can break you off, lay your views, do it all. Speak on me when I don't blow. I can break you off, lay your views, do it all. No, do nothing at all. Lately I ain't got no time. You can't change my mind. What you need ain't what you like. Lately I ain't got no time. You can't change my mind. What you need ain't what you like. I could be paranoid. The observation before me, you had all them boys. I'm just the one you've been stalking. Yeah, I saw it as soon as I walked in. Do it all. Speak on me when I don't blow. I can break you off, lay your views, do it all. No, do nothing at all. No, do nothing at all. I can break you off, lay your views, do it all. Speak on me when I don't blow. I can break you off, lay your views, do it all. No, do nothing at all. No, do nothing at all.
I've heard it all. Our conversations got me feeling I'm the fool. Like I should've listened when they said that you would treat me like he did.
thinking I ain't worth it. But I never want anyone to bring you any harm. And I take it all back just to have you in my arms. And I know for a fact who you are, into we are. We are. Don't think you care about me. Oh girl, I care about you. But you don't care about nobody. Nobody but you. Don't think you care about me. Oh girl, I care about you. But you don't care about nobody. Nobody but you. I had the time to run to you, not run your life. But never wrong you twice. I wanna make things right.
Hey guys, my name is Dlamini and welcome to a new episode. This is a Saturday reset video, so that's what we're doing today. You've just seen that I was cleaning and it was a very deep clean. Haven't done that in a while, so it feels fresh, it feels clean. It's wonderful, so wonderful. I just wanna do a face mask, and so I'll put this peel off mask and then I'll use my collagen a bit later on or after that so that I can moisturize properly. So yeah, the day started at Pilates. It kicked my behind, okay? Kicked my behind, but so worth it. And after that I went to do like a HIIT workout, those YouTube HIIT workouts, which was pretty good as well. Yeah, so we started off well. I haven't eaten anything, haven't had time to eat anything, but it's cool. I'm hydrated, I'm not woozy. So when I do this mask, I try not to put it on my cheeks because it comes out with hair, and then I see that my facial hair gets a bit darker, and I just don't want that stress in my life. I don't want the stress of having to remove facial hair, but I just avoid my cheeks and focus on my T-zone, which is the one that gets, you know, most clogged or irritated. Yeah. I also try and avoid the unibrow area, like there, a lot. I just don't want to create a chore for myself, and I feel like hair removal is such a chore, and I just don't want to spend or create an expense for myself, so I avoid it. And this usually helps with the whiteheads and the clogged pores.
Be so childish, wildin', I be wildin' too. Not like you, so baby, I look like you. Maybe we ain't so different. Maybe I be trippin'. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what you do. Just tell me when it hurts. When I get you to myself, there's murder. What's the word? Tell me what you heard.
So I'm busy making pancakes, so I'm gonna do that while I have my mask on. This has to be my favorite mask. Fight the aging, fight the aging. Ooh, I'm actually thinking I should have put the collagen powder in my pancakes. Let me do that. Let me do that in the pancake batter. Okay, I'll do that. Thank goodness I remembered.
Changing, probably be dead if I was basic. Would you still give me head if I had day shifts? I work when I want, I do what I want. She get what she want, I call her my what she want. Brush it off when you tie me off, you know I'll be slow. Fuck the world, I'ma walk in direction. Without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you look how break it.
ain't built like them. It gotta work for me. Just cause I want you don't mean I want you, I don't. You got some high hopes, high hopes.
But I'ma walk in direction. Without a thought, we do it.
Ooh, the pancakes came out so perfect today. Usually they're a bit thicker, but came out really great. And I made quite a lot, so I'll have a few now and a few later. Ooh, how many are there? The 4. We'll leave these for later. I don't have any strawberries, but I'll just put the syrup and we'll enjoy. So guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I really hope that you enjoyed this Saturday reset. I feel tired. I've been on my feet the entire day, but really glad that I got to clean and make my space feel comfortable. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I appreciate you always. Thank you for coming back. Share the channel, please. Watch the channel, go back to the old episodes, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Your hips do it all.